EnCase is a compact and practical toolkit designed for cycling enthusiasts. The set includes 2 durable plastic cases with rubberized elements, each containing a versatile multi-tool essential for cyclists. What makes these cases unique is their space-saving design, as they fit directly into the handlebars, ensuring quick and easy access to the tools when needed. One case houses a screwdriver with multiple essential bits, while the other contains a multi-purpose wrench with a rotary head and glass breaker. Additionally, the kit includes an Allen key and a chain wrench. The combined weight of the cases and tools is 4.5 pounds, making it a lightweight yet indispensable addition to any cyclist's gear. Milwaukee M18 Blhpt brushless cordless press tool delivers powerful and precise pipe pressing for professionals. Featuring a brushless motor, it ensures longer runtime, higher efficiency, and reduced maintenance. The M18 battery system provides cordless convenience, allowing for reliable performance on the job site. Its compact and ergonomic design enhances maneuverability in tight spaces. Designed for efficiency and durability, this tool is perfect for plumbing, HVAC, and industrial applications. Milwaukee Portable Flashlight provides hands-free illumination for your workspace without needing to be mounted on a surface. Designed to be worn around the neck, it is lightweight and unobtrusive. This LED flashlight delivers a bright 400 lumen output and features a built-in rechargeable battery. Charging is quick and efficient, taking just 2 hours via a USB cable. Its IP54 rated housing protects against dust and moisture, ensuring durability in various environments. The shock-resistant design allows it to withstand drops from up to 6 feet onto hard surfaces. For added convenience, the adjustable LED lights are positioned on the sides, offering customizable lighting angles for better visibility during tasks. Milwaukee M18 Cordless Threaded Die Cutter is a high-performance 18-volt tool designed for precision threading on pipes without the hassle of cords. Featuring one-key tool tracking, it offers smart connectivity for inventory management and security. The powerful brushless motor ensures fast, consistent cuts, while the compact design allows for easy operation in tight spaces. Built for professional-grade durability, it's ideal for plumbers, electricians, and industrial workers who need reliable threading on the go. LogSafe is a specialized tool designed for quick and effortless firewood chopping. Operating on the same principle as an axe, it significantly reduces strain on the back while making the process more efficient. This cleaver is easily positioned on the log, and with the help of weights and its unique design, it delivers a powerful splitting force. According to the manufacturer, its innovative construction allows it to generate an impact force of up to 31,000 pounds. Ideal for medium-sized, knot-free firewood, the device ensures a safe and effortless experience. It can be securely mounted in any convenient spot and is built entirely from metal, except for its protective gaskets. The tool itself weighs 20 pounds, making it durable and reliable for consistent use. DEWALT Die-less Cable Crimping Tool is a powerful battery-operated crimper designed for efficiency and reliability. Its die-less crimping system eliminates the need for multiple dies, making it versatile for various cable sizes. Featuring a 360-degree rotating head, it allows easy access in tight spaces, while the LED work light enhances visibility. Powered by a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, it delivers consistent performance with extended runtime. Ideal for electricians and utility professionals, this tool ensures secure, high-quality crimps with minimal effort. Viking Arm is a versatile tool that functions as both a clamping device and a portable jack. Designed for heavy-duty use, it can lift up to 330 pounds with ease. Constructed from high-quality steel with a reinforced frame, this tool allows users to lift small objects independently while minimizing the risk of injury. The lifting height is easily adjusted using a spring-loaded handle, and for quick lowering, a lever is conveniently located near the grip. In clamping mode, the Viking Arm is perfect for holding workpieces together securely during fastening. It is an essential tool for leveling, lifting, and moving heavy objects, effectively replacing wedges, blocks, and bulky jacks for a wide range of tasks. DEWALT Pavement Breaker is a heavy-duty demolition tool built for extreme concrete and asphalt breaking. Its 15-amp motor delivers 61 foot-pounds of impact energy, making it one of the most powerful electric breakers available. Designed for durability, it features shock-resistant housing and active vibration control for reduced fatigue. The versatile inline design ensures better balance and control during operation. Perfect for construction professionals, this breaker is built to handle the toughest jobs with ease. Bosch Window Vacuum Cleaner is a portable and efficient tool designed to quickly remove dirt, condensation, and streaks from glass surfaces. It operates on a rechargeable battery which can be conveniently charged using a standard USB cable. One of its standout features is its bagless design, where dust and debris are collected in a removable container that can be easily washed. With a 7.2-watt power output, this vacuum cleaner is suitable for cleaning not just glass, but also tiles. The set includes a universal nozzle as well as a special microfiber brush for thorough cleaning. Additionally, the window vacuum cleaner supports wet cleaning thanks to an integrated liquid container that evenly dispenses cleaning solution at the press of a button. Of a DEWALT DCE155 D120 DEWALT DCE155 D120 volt max cordless ACSR cable cutting toolkit is designed for professionals who need precision and power in cutting ACSR copper and aluminum cables. Its 20-volt max battery system ensures cordless convenience, while the powerful motor and hardened steel blades deliver clean, effortless cuts. The inline design and ergonomic grip provide better control and reduced hand fatigue. With a bright LED work light, it enhances visibility in low light conditions. Built for durability, this tool is Milwaukee brushless pruning shears are a high-performance, battery-powered tool crafted for effortless cutting and trimming of various materials. Designed for efficiency, they can easily slice through branches up to 1.25 inches thick, outperforming traditional hand tools in speed and ease. Equipped with advanced active blade control technology, the blade responds dynamically to the movement of the trigger, offering precise control during pruning tasks. With a robust battery, these shears can handle up to 1,000 cuts on a single charge, making them ideal for heavy-duty pruning jobs. MegaPRO Screwdriver is a durable and versatile handheld tool designed for convenience and reliability. It features a comfortable grip made from synthetic rubber, ensuring a non-slip hold during use, while its metal components are crafted from hardened high-quality steel for long-lasting durability. Designed for both right-handed and left-handed users, this multifunctional screwdriver weighs just 0.5 pounds, making it lightweight and easy to handle. The ergonomic handle incorporates a built-in bit holder which securely stores 6 double-sided bits with various tip options. To access the desired bit, simply unscrew the fastener and slide the handle down. Additionally, the bit base doubles as a wrench and quintuple hex key, adding to its versatility. For enhanced comfort, the tool includes a protective cap to prevent blisters, ensuring strain-free use during extended work sessions. RIDGID transportable vise is built to face up to hard jobs, even as presenting convenience at the move. Its chain clamp securely holds pipes ranging from 1/8 to 6 inches in diameter, making it suitable for metal, copper, or PVC. The foldable tripod layout ensures clean transportation whole with a wearing cope width and self-locking mechanism. Set up on the job site is a breeze, just spread the legs, and also you'll have a stable work floor in seconds. An extra feature is a grounding tab for welding tasks, allowing for safe and powerful paintings. Plus, the integrated device tray maintains your essentials prepared and within a tane, making sure you're constantly prepared to get the task done. Hammerless striking tool is a compact and efficient device designed to assist with nailing tasks. It features 2 heavy-duty components connected by a spring mechanism, which when pulled and released delivers a powerful impact to drive the nail into the material. The tool includes 2 striking heads, one measuring 3/32 of an inch and the other 1/8 of an inch, making it compatible with most standard nails. The spring mechanism, crafted from hardened steel, ensures durability and strength, while a special recess allows for precise nail placement. With an impact force of 3,500 pounds per inch, this tool enables accurate nail driving without causing damage to the surrounding material. Unlike a traditional hammer, this compact nailer is lightweight and can easily fit into a pocket for convenience.